Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy SUI on KuCoin. First, you'll need to create an account on the KuCoin platform and complete the necessary identity verification process. This ensures your account is secure and compliant. Once verified, you can fund your account using various methods, such as depositing fiat currency or transferring existing cryptocurrencies like USD. This initial step is crucial before you can proceed with any purchases. Once your account is funded, head over to the trading interface. You'll want to search for the SUI/US trading pair, which is the most common way to acquire SUI. Here, you can decide between a market order, which executes immediately at the best available price, or a limit order, allowing you to set a specific price. Carefully enter the amount of SUI you want to buy and confirm your selection. Before finalizing your purchase, take a moment to review all the order details, including the price, amount, and any associated fees. Once you are satisfied, confirm the trade. Your newly acquired SUI will then be visible in your main KuCoin account balance. For those looking to engage in more advanced trading strategies or staking, you might consider transferring your SUI to a dedicated trading account. Remember to always prioritize security by enabling two-factor authentication on your KuCoin account. It adds a vital layer of protection. Once you have your SUI, you might explore options like staking it to earn rewards or participating in other platform features. For those interested in financial growth, check the description below for a link to a highly recommended book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other valuable deals. Protecting your assets and understanding your investments are key to a successful crypto journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.